to start reading?
Okay. Technology is a magnificent tool for everyday life. There's no doubt about that. Texting, tweeting, having an episode of your favorite TV show playing right in the palms of our hands, that is all great. But does anybody ever think about what could happen if we've become slaves to our own gadgets? In Fahrenheit 451, Ray Bradbury proposes the idea that Americans will, by law, no longer be allowed to express their own thoughts and ideas if society does not heed his discreet warnings of how technology could take over their lives.
All right, let's go ahead and stop there. So you said you were worried about addressing the prompt, but I would say in your thesis does a really good job of doing that. So in your intro, I wouldn't even worry about that you weren't addressing the prompt, because you do a good job of it.
Okay.
I do see some grammar errors, so if you want to go over those, we can do that.
Okay.
Okay. So first, you said, here, I'll give you this writing center pencil so you can use it to fix
Great.
and write in whatever you need to. So you said technology is a magnificent tool for everyday life. There's no doubt about that. I would change your comma to a semicolon.
Oh, okay.
Because it's two independent clauses. Awesome. And then texting, tweeting, having an episode of your favorite TV show, you need a comma after texting. Good. And then, okay, so you said, you listed all these things and said that is all great. It kind of sounds a little too conversational and a little awkward. So you could, first of all, you could change it to these are all great. But if you wanted to make it more formal, you could say something else, like you could explain how they're great, or you could take out the sentence entirely if you want to. Okay. Okay, so here we have what we call a comma splice. So you would just take out the comma entirely. So it's but does anybody ever think, and just take out the comma entirely.
Okay.
And then, okay, so in your thesis you said Ray Bradbury proposes the idea that Americans will by law, and then go on. But you need a comma before by law because it's a interrupting clause? Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I think that covers your intro. Alright,
Great.
good. Let's move on.